Hi, I hope you guys are doing fine. We have paused from that. This is actually where we have paused from, and we're going to resume from here again. All right. So I want you to be very attentive because this is going to be very informative. This is the second part of the creation of the campaign. All right. We are just about to create an ad. All right. So now we got. So this is the website. Like I told you, this is the landing page. All right. And Google recognized that as a final URL. All right, is where the people go after clicking your ads. All right, it can be any page of your website and should match with your ads. All right, so we're calling this a landing page. All right, just remember there's two concepts. There's a landing page and a money page, and we're gonna use a clocker. A clocker is like a switch. All right, it's gonna help us to move from your landing page to your money page, and it will show only to specific people that you're targeting. All right. All right, so now here we're gonna type it. We're gonna name the business the same. Which is this wisdom electro. Right? Now we come to image. We need to create what we call assets. All right, add assets, and add assets that will encompass. It will actually encompass. You got image that you need to create. All right, you need to load some image. If you got some image of your on your computer, you can use some image on your computer. All right, but it has to be related to what your website is selling. All right, just remember this website. What am I selling is exactly? I'm selling electronics. That includes smartwatches, laptops, home appliance and phone, and mobile and laptops and all that. All right, all these things. All right, so I want to make sure that even if I choose something, it has to be related to what I'm selling exactly. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to free stock. All right, if you don't have images, you don't have pictures, you can go to free stock image. All right, Google will allow you to actually get some image. All right, free of charge. All right, you can just type, for instance, computer, computers. Then it's gonna load up some computers, pictures. All right, you choose whichever match with what you're selling. Like, I think I should go for laptop. All right, laptops. Done. You got a couple of laptop here. Then I can select image. All right, I can select image. Just remember, always remove this one, the smallest one, because this is for the mobile format. We are now advertising on mobile. All right, we are only advertising on laptop, and that's all. So I remove this one. All right. There's a total numbers of 15 images that I must select in order for my ads to be very to perform very well. All right, so that it can be efficient. You need to use as much as uh, pictures possible. All right. Usually Google will give you a limit of 15 images, but you can use them up all at once. All right. All right. So I'm gonna select other pictures of computer related. Yeah, this one, for instance, I'm gonna go for this one. Load more. Then you got more computer pictures here. All right, you can select whichever. How many computer? Just remember the small. This one I will remove it. This is mobile format. All right. Many do I have? I don't need many large image. Only one large image is enough. All right. All the rest can be the same format. So I'm gonna remove this one. So I have 9 image left. All right. I'm gonna choose this one too. Don't need large formats. I'll keep small format. All right. Now, apart from computer, what else am I selling? I'm selling smartwatch. So I'm selling smartwatch as well. So I'm gonna search for smartwatch. All right. You got this one, for instance. You got this one, for instance. I'll start sorting them out. All right. After selecting, I need at least four. All right. And just remember the watermark will be removed. All right. Once you have submitted your campaign, they'll remove the watermark. Don't worry about that. All right. The what else? A little more. Yeah, three is enough. Three is enough. All right. So I'm gonna start removing. What I don't need this big one. I don't need this one. I don't need this big format. I don't need mobile format. All right. I just need a single big format, and we already have a big format. So in between like those 15 images that you are selecting, you just need one big format. All the rest can be the same. All right. And apart from a smartwatch, what else are we selling on the website? We're selling tablets, for instance. All right, tablets. Now can select few tablets. All right, I got this one, for instance, this one. I can take this one. I'll sort them out. All right, and what else? I can take this one. All right, load more. Yeah, load more. What else? Can go for this one. All right, four is enough. Now let me sort them out. We don't need large images. All right, so I'm going to remove every large images. This one gone. I can keep this one, no problem. So four more left. All right. Now, what else are we selling? Whatever category we're selling, I can go for desktop computer. This one. Okay. Just remove this one and this one, like I did previously for the others. I hope my voice is clear. All right. I'm just trying in case of my voice is a little bit lower. You can use headphones so that you can listen to the audio very properly. All right. So I can take this one and that makes 15, but I gotta remove this two. Okay, now back to 13. All right, what else? This one is also good, and this one is also good. Remove mobile formats, and I'll take this one too. All right, that makes 15 images selected. All right, then I'll click on save. Now you gotta select images for logo. All right, you need to create so that is gonna be showing in small format. All right, so you got already assets that you have uploaded. All right, you just need to select in between those pictures, whichever sounds good for you. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna go for this one. All right, go for this one. This one. Select the ratio. Okay, and we'll go for this one, and I'll go for a small watch. All right. That makes five. You need only five images for the logos. All right. Then video, in case you have a video to upload, but it's always not preferable so that your ad doesn't take time to load up. All right. Now you got headlines here. Now we're gonna work on headlines. What exactly am I gonna type here? All right. So I'm gonna copy my previous campaign. I have one campaign that I've just created here. Okay, which has been approved already. So I'm gonna use this one. It's already eligible. Right, this is approved. All right, this is a French language. All right, don't worry about that. In English, you just need to type your own words. All right, headlines, just remember it should not go beyond 30 characters. All right, so I'm gonna copy them and paste them here. I'm just trying to make sure that it's not matching with my previous campaign headlines. All right, so I'm just removing at least one word or adding another word. All right, so that there's no match. All right, then I'm taking the second one, copy, coming here, paste, taking the third one, copy, paste. All right. So just remember one thing from your notepad, you can keep different headlines and sentences that you will be using on your campaign regularly. So that you just need to copy, paste, and make a little bit of change. You can just change, even if you remove only a comma or a full stop. It's more than enough not to be a match, all right, with your previous campaign. Just make sure that there is no match, all right, because sometimes Google reviewers might be seeing that the same headlines have been used in the previous account and they know that it's the same person. All right, so that always causes problem. All right, so now we move on and select next one. Next one, got headlines now. Those are long sentences, 90 characters. All right, and I'll copy this one. I'll paste this one here. Right now, here I will change this one. Good. All right. Now, description. I'll take this sentence. I'll paste it here. Making sure that there's no match. All right. This is why I'm doing all this. Now, coming to the third one. Okay. Now, coming to the fourth one. Next one. Last one, I think. So remember, we have created, first of all, our headlines. All right, we got 5 headlines in total that you need to create. All right, just make sure that they are not matching from your previous suspended campaign. All right, just you can remove comma, you can remove full stop or a words or interchange words in between. All right, so that it doesn't match exactly with the previous campaign. All right, this is how it works. And you got long headlines. So remember, there is 3 things here in order to create the campaign. All right. First of all, you need to create image. You need to upload images. If you have image on your laptop, on your desktop, you can upload them directly. In case you don't have image, Google can give you. There is actually image bank, all right, where you can upload pictures from Google servers, all right, and they will be able to generate those image automatically and just add them to your account, and then you create the logos. Second steps. All right. After creating the logos, in case you got a video, you can add a video, but it's not necessary to add a video. All right, and you got headlines now. You can copy paste from your notepad in case you have already you got already those headlines prepared. All right, just make sure that they are not exceeding 30 characters. All right, you got 5 headlines, remember that, and you got the main lines here. I mean the main headlines here. All right, just need to copy paste if you got it. In case you don't have it, no problem, you can type it from here. All right, but it should not exceed 90 characters. All right, and then you got out of 5 uh, headlines that you need to add. Description, I mean, this is headlines, long headlines, and this is description. All right, description also 90 characters. All right, in totals. All right, once you have created all that, then you go to create ads. All right, this is how it will show. Then you go to next. Then you're gonna make sure that you name your ad. All right, I'm gonna name my ad. This is display display for France. Display for France. All right. Go to next. All right, next. All right, now this is the payments. All right, we need to load some funds. Usually I start with 500 rupees. All right, now this is going to come to the third part of the campaign. I'm going to pause it here. We'll resume from the third part. Thank you.